You have two choices. You'll either marry Lord Kassar, or you will be locked up in a tower for 7 years.
I'll never marry Lord Kassar. In the tower I shall be locked. Oh my gosh, it's One Direction! I can't believe it's them, I love them!
And then the dog pooped the banana.
I had such a nice night today.
I did too.
When will you come visit me again?
I can't in a long time, but here's a cat so you can remember me by.
Thank you. Thanks.
Dun dun dun! Meow.
Okay, it's okay.
Pew pew! Meow!
Oh my god!
Oh, that hurt! Dun dun dun! Meow.
Oh my god! What's going on here? There's a way out! Oh yay! Wait, I need to take Lady Saren with me. Lady Saren! Here she is. Ow. Okay, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. We're finally out! Yay! But how are we gonna get through this forest? Oh, there's a yak! Let's get on it!
Yak, 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 yak.
We give you this yacht as an offering for work. If you please let us stay here.
We are gathered here today.
Just freaking kiss the bride.
You may kiss the bride. Dun dun dun! Meow. Wah, 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 wah.